This is 86 Cherokee Road in Cherokee Village, Arkansas. I believe these are laminate floors. That's your door in from the garage. And you got a coat closet there and a hallway down to the bedrooms. Or you can go into this room, which it would, in my estimation, be a dining room that has doors out to the deck and a window into the kitchen with some bar seating. Got lots of cabinet storage, both here and then beside the dishwasher, refrigerator, and stove. Updated cabinets, appliances, countertops. This is also laminate flooring. Another set of doors out to your deck. You've got a gas fireplace, recessed lighting. This home is 2,600 square feet. It's a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. We've got 1 bedroom here that has a view of the main road, large doors into the closet. All the doors are updated. Here's the main bath, also updated countertops, cabinets. And this is your laundry hookups here in this bathroom. And it is a full bath. Got another linen closet here, and then another bedroom here. Laminate floors in here, central heat and air. You can see there's insulated windows. Got a full wall of closet here, floor to ceiling windows. And a private bath in this room with a shower, walk-in shower. Taxes on this home are less than $500 a year. You do have an SID assessment on top of that. You do have a neighbor over there, but since you're in a corner lot, that you don't have another neighbor. We're down in the basement. Just kind of an all-purpose room here. Family room with another gas fireplace. You have a patio out back. There's a couple rooms down here that don't have windows, so we can't call them bedrooms, but you could use them as sleeping areas or craft room. This is a big workshop area here with a sink. There's more storage under the house. So that would be a great workshop. And then there's access to your water heater and furnace easily. And then you've got another bathroom down here. And more linen storage, full bathroom for your guests to use if you so choose to invite them. And then there's this larger room, again, could be used as a bedroom, but it doesn't have a window. And it's got a huge walk-in closet that could be used as a safe room because it's surrounded by concrete. It's only a couple hundred feet away. That road right over there is the entrance to the North Golf Course. You can see the sign, maybe. And less than a half mile in both directions to the South Fork of the Spring River.